there's a light that I love inside of everyone, even those that got dark.